Keeping up with your personal, professional and your business life online today can be a daunting task because too many social media choices can lead to confusion. So Webtalk could be the first all-in-one solution to solve this problem because it's built to help you save time, communicate better and have more control over who sees what. So Webtalk actually enables you to strengthen your relationships with individual settings for colleagues, friends and family, and it still allows you to build your brand, build your credibility and take care of your business perfectly, all through one cloud-based hub that organizes all of this for you in a way that no other social media platform is doing right now. So you can actually separate your personal, professional and business life, but have it all in one place. So because Webtalk gives back the control to you over who sees what and when. So that social awkwardness of having friends and family get tired of seeing your business posts and your networking efforts is replaced by a simple yet effective management system that allows you to label your connections via a patent pending process that they've created based on real life scenarios and relationships, so that when you build new relationships on Webtalk, you actually get to label them prospective customers, contact for sales, employment, business and investment opportunity or other, and you also get to add keywords and descriptions so that you can easily search for and find that contact or that person later. So Webtalk actually gives you personal, business and private networks all in one place and allows you to manage everything just as you do in real life. So building and maintaining credibility is made easy. So Webtalk also allows you to showcase your talents through a virtual resume and media gallery, and this allows you to display your portfolio, degrees, certification, photos, videos and other credentials. And businesses can also showcase products, services, ratings, reviews and more on their business page, which will help build trust and attract new customers. And Webtalk is currently working on a new marketplace feature which will also help users find other users' products and services locally and enable them to conduct more local business together too. So Webtalk is not only helping people connect to more opportunities, but it's also paying out up to a massive 50% of all the revenue generated through a very, very lucrative referral program, which is going to be called Social CPX. The internet's largest online networking and e-commerce websites and businesses generates tens of billions of dollars from advertising, premium upgrades and transaction fees. Facebook and LinkedIn alone generate on average between $3 and $13 per month per user. Amazon on average of $70 per month per user from product sales. So as the first social/e-commerce community, Webtalk projects reaching an average of $10 per month per user, because Webtalk is also going to be generating revenue from advertising fees, premium upgrades, talent solutions and transaction fees just like the others. But the difference here is that Webtalk is going to share it with you. So when you enroll in the free Webtalk affiliate program, you can actually earn 10% on the business and revenue generated within Webtalk via your direct referrals for life. So your long-term earning potential per user you refer is conservatively estimated at $1 per month. So $1 per month may not sound life-changing, but remember that's $1 per user you refer for life. For those who help grow the site for starting a chain reaction of referrals, you can earn credit for your direct referrals, their referrals and their referrals through 5 levels of separation. Let's say the average monthly commission per referral reaches $1, and let's say you only refer 10 people, but each of those referrals manages to do the same. If that continues through 5 degrees of separation, you could be earning $10 per month from your first level, $100 per month from your second level, $1,000 from your third, $10,000 from your fourth and $100,000 from your fifth, and that's per month. So I think you can see the potential here, and a simple follow me on Webtalk post on Facebook or Twitter could be potentially life-changing. And the best part about this is it's free to join. You don't have to change what you're already doing, because every social media profile gives you a link for you to share and build your network, right? So you've been doing this all along with Facebook, LinkedIn and other networks, only now you're going to get paid to do it. So when your profile link drives new users to Webtalk, the patent pending affiliate program makes sure that you get credit for that referral. You can import your email or phone address contacts to connect with you on Webtalk, and you get credit for everyone that joins. And that alone could probably easily see you sign up more than 10 users. So you can also share your photos, videos and files with other people anywhere online, and when they register for free to be able to view them, guess what? You get credit for referring them. If you have a website or a blog, then Webtalk provides social media buttons buttons and banners that you can display to your visitors. And guess what? Once again, you get credit for all those referrals as well. It's that simple to build your network and to build an income. Webtalk's standalone referral program, Social CPX, will provide you with a dashboard that will allow you to instantly see and track all of your referrals from all of your social activities. You'll be able to see how many invites you sent, how many people joined, and how much commission you have earned. Both the social media platform, Webtalk, and the affiliate program are free and always will be free. The timing is important because the people and businesses who join now and help grow the community early, well, they will be the ones with the largest income opportunity. So today there are over 2 billion social network active users, and that number is projected to double in the next 5 years. So the more people you actually invite to Webtalk right now, the better chances there are for you to earn some seriously life-changing income, and you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. But all you have to do is take action and join now and invite everyone you know before they invite you.